What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Guys, we're gonna go over Bitcoin. Good early afternoon from Johannesburg, South Africa. Currently we're sitting at 42,339. We're down about 4% on the day. We're sitting in a market cap of 789 billion. 24-hour volume is 31.32 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So as you can see, we're still consolidating within this range. It looks like we may come back down to test this support zone in between 39.6 and 41.2. However, there is another pattern I noticed when I woke up this morning. How many of you guys wake up and the first thing you do is check crypto? It is a bad habit that I'd like to not do so often, but it's tough. So the pattern here is a symmetrical triangle. As you can see here, we have 4 touches of support. We have 2 touches of resistance. So if we're able to hold this support line and you see a bounce back to the upside, could bring us back up at least to this level of resistance at about 43,881. Now, if we do break out of this pattern here, let's say we break out to the upside, measure the body, guys. If we were to break out to the upside, would bring Bitcoin back up to this previous swing high, back up at about 48.5K. And if we were to break down here, would bring Bitcoin down to about 37K on the dot, which would be a little bit lower than our technical target from our head and shoulders. So do keep an eye on this symmetrical triangle and wait for your breakout. Could lead to the next big move here for Bitcoin. So I wanted to pop over to the daily. Who was I watching who was talking about this? I think it was Coins Kid, the GOAT himself. I think he was talking about this falling wedge. So if we were to come down to our technical target of 37.8 from our head and shoulders, that would bring us back down to the support line of our falling wedge here. And then, as I've been mentioning, if we come down to that price target, I think we would bounce back rather quickly. And that would bring us back up here to about 53K. So do keep an eye on that. We're just about to have the bearish cross of the EMAs on the daily. So if we do come down, we would need to bounce back rather quickly, in my opinion. On the weekly, we are still holding the 21-week moving average, which is really important, in my opinion. As you can see, we're still above the 21-week. But if we do come down to this technical target, we will break below it. That's why I'm expecting a bounce quickly. And if we do come down to 37.8, we'll find support along the 55 EMA, and I think we'll see that bounce back to the upside, in my opinion. But in the short term, keep an eye on this symmetrical triangle. It looks like we're seeing a little bit of a bounce here. So if we don't break this level of support, I would expect at least 43.881K. And if it were to break out, if we were to have our breakout here, would bring Bitcoin back up to about 48.6K. And that would be a strong signal that we've gone through our correction. We're seeing our reversal back to the upside. And then just keep an eye on this zone of support, 41.2 and 39.6, where we've been creating a strong level of support for Bitcoin. Guys, I trade Bitcoin on Bybit. They're currently giving away free crypto. You don't want to miss out for a limited time. You also get $600 in bonuses for signing up through my referral. Quick shout out to the Discord, guys. Let's quickly open it. Hope you're well, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. Hope you have someone in your life that absolutely adores you. And if you don't, I would drop them and look for somebody new. Because life's just not worth living if you're not with a significant other that adores you, or you can just stay single. You know, being single is pretty awesome, in my opinion. All right, guys, so we have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting entries, breakouts, take profits, price of a coffee, also posting silly little memes here. You can sign up through the Patreon. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.